According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, roughly 1/3 of the food produced for human consumption either get lost or wasted every year. That's approximately 1.3 billion tons. I'm sure all of us have thrown away rotten vegetables, expired products, or leftovers. Reducing food waste does not only save the environment, but it will also help you to save lots of money and time in the long run. So how can you play your part? I'm going to share with you 10 really simple food hacks to help you save money and also to reduce food wastage. First, freeze ripe fruits. So instead of allowing those fresh fruits to rot, you can prolong their lives by slicing them up, place into Ziploc bags and freeze them up. This will keep well in the freezer for months. And this will also help to retain the nutrients in the fruits. Frozen fruits can be blended to make fruit smoothies, an ice cream, and they can even be added into your baked goods to make healthy cakes and also muffins. Knowing this trick can help you save lots of money by purchasing discounted fruits and vegetables, which are about to go off when you do your grocery shopping. Next, save the bones and leftover vegetables. Instead of throwing away bones or forgetting your leftover vegetables, cook them. You can turn them into a really tasty bowl of soup without any added stocks or preservatives. Simply place the unwanted bones and pieces of vegetables into a pot and allow all the ingredients to slowly simmer for 30 to 45 minutes. Natural bone broth promotes healing to the body, such as protecting the joints, increasing bone strength, and also it is great for your gut. This is an ancient remedy which has been used by many different cultures. Plus, it is food for the soul. You can even cube the stock and add into your cooking later on. Next, turn extra veggies into vegetable soup. Another thing you can do with the leftover vegetables is to mix them all together and make creamy vegetable soup puree. This dish can be eaten on its own, or you can use it as a sauce for your pasta or meat dishes. Now, if you really hate eating your vegetables, this is a really simple and great way to meet your 5 a day without feeling like you have to keep chewing and chewing on your veggies. You can even cook them in bulk and freeze them for later on. Another great way to prolong the life of vegetables is to turn them into pickles. For instance, slice up cabbage and turn it into sauerkraut. Fermented vegetables will keep for many months if stored in an airtight container at the right temperature. Fermented vegetables make nutrients more readily available. They promote a healthy gut and contains probiotics. Since 70 to 80% of the immune system lies in the gut, it is extremely important to have a healthy gut. And this can even promote weight loss. Turn stale bread into croutons. Is your bread getting stale? Instead of throwing them out, why not slice them into small cubes, brush with a little bit of butter, sprinkle with garlic salt, and bake them to make yourself some croutons. And they go perfectly in your soups and salads. Freeze extra herbs into ice cubes. Don't know what to do with your leftover herbs? Easy. Chop them up, place into ice cube trays, add some water or oil, and freeze them up to make herb cubes. And you can add this into your cooking later on. You can even do this to the fruits and make infused water, which leads on to my next point. Use lemon peels to make infused water. If you're someone who squeezes fresh lemon or orange juice and discard the peels, well, next time, save the peels because that's where most of the essential vitamins, minerals, and enzymes are. Simply infuse into your water or tea and gain the benefits. Drinking this on a regular basis can help to flush out toxins. For all you dog lovers, here's a remedy you must know. I like to save my eggshells and let them dry out. Then simply use a grinder and grind the shells into really fine powder. Should one of my dogs get diarrhea, I will just sprinkle a couple of teaspoons of the eggshell powder into their food and the diarrhea will just magically go away. You have to try this for your dogs. The next hack is to turn leftovers into a one-pot dish. Cooked way too much for dinner? Well, don't throw anything away. Turn those little bits of leftovers into a one-pot dish by mixing everything together. And take it with you to work for lunch. Be daring and experiment because hey, you might just create a new dish that tastes delicious. The final hack is something I practice often. Use a spray bottle for your oil. Instead of roughly estimating and pouring oil directly from the bottle onto the pan and having way too much oil just to coat the pan, Transfer the cooking oil into a spray bottle. Using a spray bottle will help you to reduce on your calorie intake because you will tend to use a lesser amount. This will also make your food less greasy, which means you will consume less fat overall. And of course, this will help you to lose weight. So the next time you want to throw food out from your fridge, apply these really simple food hacks to reduce on food waste, save money, and also to eat healthier. We should all play our part to reduce food wastage and save the environment. What other food hacks do you practice? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like this video and share this video on. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet done it, and hit the notification button so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. All the best!